Some breaking news today in the Karen Read case. After weeks of building their case in the media, her defense attorneys finally went before a judge this afternoon to argue that two of the charges Read is facing should be tossed out, including murder. That's because they say several jurors told them the jury had agreed to acquit her on those charges before being deadlocked on a third count. We brought this to you live on TV as it happened.
We did. Let's get right to our Sarah Conji, who is live in Dedham, where all of this is happening. Sarah.
Yeah, Maria and Ben, things have quieted down quite a bit after this hour-long hearing where the arguments were made about whether these charges should be dismissed against Karen Read. Karen Read and her attorneys and family returning to court here in Dedham once again to throngs of her supporters, as well as supporters of the victim, Boston police officer John O'Keefe. Read's attorneys today arguing in court what they've already put on paper, that they have heard from 4 alleged jurors who say the jury found Read not guilty on 2 of the 3 charges against her, including the most serious second-degree murder. Now, at the time of the trial, jurors told the judge they were hopelessly deadlocked, never informing the court of a partial verdict. A mistrial was declared. Well, today, Read's defense is asking the judge to bring those jurors back to poll them.
Order a hearing, Judge. Don't make Miss Read be the first person in the history of the Commonwealth to face re-prosecution for murder by the same prosecutor's office that tried her once and failed to persuade the jury she was guilty.
Simply put, Your Honor, what counsel is proposing as far as what the court should do is prohibited by the rules, it's prohibited by the law, it's prohibited by the development of case law over decades and centuries as to what is permitted.
Meanwhile, outside the courthouse, dueling groups rallying, those chanting "Free Karen Read," and then another group chanting "Lock her up." Now, as for the hearing, the judge is taking the matter under advisement. That's not necessarily a surprise. We did expect that. And previously, she did say that she fully expects whatever decision she makes will be appealed. The second trial at this point is tentatively scheduled for January. Live at the Dedham Courthouse, Sarah Conji, WCVB News Center 5.